Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Churgesar Biology. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the regulation of gene expression. Now, what is gene expression? DNA contains number of genes and these genes are responsible for the expression, regulation and transfer of the character. Now, what is the regulation over such genes? Regulation means control, means a particular character controlled by a gene, whether to express that character or not to express the character. This control is called as a regulation of gene expression. Understood? Regulation means there is a control over the expression of genes, whether to express the character or not to express the character, and this regulation is explained, or the gene regulation is explained by the Jacob and Monod by the very well-known experiment that is nothing but the lac operon. The concept known as lac operon. Lac operon. Now, the regulation of gene activity is controlled, is explained with the help of lac operon. And this regulation, as we have studied earlier, the process of protein synthesis. Protein synthesis involves gene and the polypeptide chain. Protein synthesis is one of the character. Enzymes, hormones, these are the characters expressed by the gene. Now, this regulation is, 1 minute. Come to the point. This regulation occurs or the takes place in various stages of the gene expression. That is, transcriptional level is there, or post-transcriptional level, or the transfer of mRNA to the cytoplasm takes place. At that time, also the gene expression is regulated, or at the translational level, it is also regulated. This lac operon is a transcriptional level of the control. Now, this lac operon, lac stands for lactose. Lac stands for lactose. Lactose is a complex sugar, and operon means a cluster of gene having related function. Operon means one or there are many genes having the related or involved in the same metabolic activity. Operon means cluster or group of genes which are involved in the same metabolic activity or carry the same gene expression, involved in the same gene expression. Lac stands for lactose. Operon means group of genes having same or having related metabolic activities. Now, this lac operon. Now, what is the structure of this operon? The structure of operon means this is the DNA strand. This is the DNA strand, and this DNA strand contains promoter, regulatory gene, promoter, operator and structural genes. 3 structural genes are there: Z, Y and A. Now, this is the structure of operon. Here the promoter region is present where the enzyme RNA polymerase can bind. Here is a I gene. I stands for inhibitor or the regulatory gene. This is the I gene, inhibitor or regulatory gene. This is the promoter region, and this is the promoter of this operator. This operator region is a specific sequence. Operator region is a specific sequence where the enzyme or the where the lactose or 1 minute, where the repressor protein where the repressor protein gets bind. Repressor protein is produced by this I gene. Repressor protein is produced by this I gene, where the repressor get bind Z, Y and A gene. Now this Z gene produces enzyme beta galactosidase. Z gene produces an enzyme beta galactosidase which breaks down lactose into galactose and glucose, which break down lactose into galactose and glucose. This is the Z gene produces enzyme beta galactosidase which brings about the breakdown of lactose complex sugar into the galactose and glucose. Now the Y gene produces enzyme permease. Y gene produces enzyme permease. This permease enzyme involved in the entry of lactose into the cell. Permease enzyme permits or gives entry to the lactose into the cell. A gene produces trans-acetylase enzyme. A gene produces trans-acetylase enzyme. The function of trans-acetylase enzyme which transfers the acetyl group from acetyl coenzyme A to the beta galactoside, which transfers acetyl group which transfers the acetyl group to the galactoside. Understood these three genes? Z gene, Y gene and A gene. These three genes are present in a group and having a common mRNA at the time of transcription. These three genes are in a group and having a common mRNA, and these three enzymes produced by these three genes are involved in the same metabolic activity. So this is the operon. Operon means a group of genes having the related or having the same function. Understood? Now, what is the control? This lag operon is studied in the E. coli bacterial cell. This lag operon is studied in the E. coli bacterial cell. When E. coli bacterial cell is cultured on a culture medium, and to the surrounding of the E. coli there is a nutrient medium or the culture medium. So when there are two conditions. When there is a lactose absent and lactose present. There are two conditions: lactose absent and lactose present in the culture medium. When there is an absence of lactose, there is no need to transcribe these three genes. Or production of these three enzymes, beta galactosidase, permease and trans-acetylase. There is no need, because these three genes are involved in the breakdown of the lactose sugar. These three genes are involved in the breakdown of lactose sugar. When there is a lactose sugar is absent, there is no need of this. There is no need to transcribe these three genes. And when there is a lactose present, lactose sugar acts as an energy source. And when there is a lactose sugar in the surrounding medium, then there is a need. To transcribe these three genes to break down of this lactose into galactose and glucose. Now, let us see the first control. When the lactose is absent. At that time, this repressor gene or this inhibitor gene produces its mRNA. This repressor gene produces its mRNA, and this mRNA then translated into the repressor protein. This mRNA is then translated into the repressor protein. This is the repressor protein. I gene or the inhibitor gene or the regulatory gene. This is the regulatory gene produces mRNA. And this mRNA is translated to form the repressor protein. Now this repressor protein gets bind to the operator region. This repressor protein gets bind to the operator region here. This repressor protein gets bind to the operator region. Understood? So when the repressor protein binds to the operator region, RNA polymerase bind at the promoter region. So the further path is blocked. Blocked by the repressor protein. So the RNA polymerase do not transcribe. The RNA polymerase will not transcribe this Z, Y and A gene. So here the transcription of this operon is avoided. Transcription of this operon is avoided or transcription is stopped. Understood? When there is no lactose is present in the surrounding medium or lactose is absent in the surrounding medium, at that time inhibitor gene or the regulatory gene produces its mRNA, and this mRNA will translate it into the repressor protein, and repressor protein is bind at the operator region. Understood? Now the transcription is stopped. So there is a switch off of this operon takes place. This operon is switched off by this repressor protein. Now the second condition is there. When there is presence of lactose. When there is presence of lactose in the surrounding medium. When the lactose is present, now the inhibitor gene or the regulatory gene transcribes into its mRNA, and its mRNA forms the repressor protein. But at that time, inducer is present. Now what is inducer? Inducer means a lactose molecule. Lactose molecule itself acts as a inducer. Now some lactose molecules are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Now this lactose acts as a inducer, and this inducer, this is the lactose molecule, and this inducer get bind to the repressor protein. This inducer get bind to the repressor protein. Now here is the repressor, this is the inducer, this is the repressor, and this inducer gets bind to the repressor protein. Now here inducer repressor complex takes place, and now this inducer nullifies or cancels the repressor activity. This inducer cancels the repressor activity. So this repressor protein will not get bind to the operator region. Now this repressor protein will not get bind to the operator region. Now RNA polymerase gets bind with the promoter region, and RNA polymerase bring about the transcription. Now at the time of transcription, a single mRNA is produced by these three genes. At the time of transcription, the single mRNA is produced by these three genes. Now Z gene produces beta galactosidase. Z gene produces beta galactosidase. Y gene produces permeases, and A gene produces transacetylase. Transacetylase enzyme. Now beta galactosidase break down the lactose into galactose and glucose. Permease allows the entry of lactose molecule into the cell, and transacetylase transfers the acetyl group from acetyl coenzyme A to the galactoside. Now the operon is switched on. Now this operon is switched on. Understood? The regulation of gene expression, whether to express the gene or not to express the gene, is decided by the some external factors like metabolic factors or the environmental factors. When there is a lactose absent, at that time the operon is switched off by the repressor protein, and when there is a lactose present, at that time the operon is switched on by the repressor protein with the help of inducer. Understood? Understood the concept of lac operon and expression of regulation of gene expression. Now whether to express the character or not to express the character is determined by some internal or external factors, by some protein molecules, or by the physical or environmental factors. Here the repressor protein plays very important role in the transcription of this operon. When there is an absence of lactose or lactose not present, at that time operon is switched off, and when there is a presence of lactose or lactose is present in the culture medium of the E. coli cell, then the operon is switched on, which produces these three enzymes: galactosidase, permease and transacetylase. तुम्हाला जर काही शंका असेल लॅक ओपेरॉन बद्दल तर कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये कमेंट करा. व्हिडिओ पूर्ण बघितल्यानंतर वॉच्ड कंप्लीटली अशी कमेंट करायची आहे. थँक्यू.